Hey everybody, welcome back to Camp in a Box. Today I'm going to walk you through our Roll an Alien activity. For this activity, you're going to need a sheet of white paper, some sort of pencil, and something to apply color like markers or colored pencils. You're also going to need a standard six-sided dice or access to the internet so you can use an online dice roller. Just make sure you have it set from 1 to 6. So now you're just going to use that dice or online number generator to start rolling numbers to determine what your alien's actually going to look like. The first number that you roll will determine the shape of your alien's body, down at the very bottom of your sheet. And then all the numbers after that will determine different physical attributes, like how many arms your alien has, what type of eyes does it have legs, does it have a tail? Who knows what sort of alien you'll create. Once you're done drawing your alien in pencil, go ahead and grab markers, colored pencils, crayons, whatever you have on hand, and start adding color to your alien and really help bring it to life. Remember to keep your Roll an Alien table even after you're done with your first alien, because you can reuse this again and again to create a whole planet full of aliens. And I'm all done with my first alien. Thanks for crafting with me today, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.